Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Crypto. Today, I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to download Paxful application for your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. Now, let's get started. Tap open your Play Store from your Android device. Go to the search box at the top and type in Paxful. Once you make your search, you should see the application displayed at the very top on the next page. Paxful is a peer-to-peer digital currency buying and selling platform. It believes in providing people with equal access to finance by allowing them to trade cryptocurrency and earn money in a safe and secure environment. Once you find the application that says Paxful Bitcoin and Crypto Wallet / buy BTC Ethereum USDT from Paxful, this application right here, simply tap the install button in green. Wait for your application to be downloaded on your Android device. It'll only take a while depending upon your internet speed, so while downloading any kind of an application, make sure that you have the strongest connection that you need. Once the application is downloaded, it'll take a while to install, which is an automatic process. Wait until it does, and as soon as you see an open button popping up, it means that your application is downloaded. Tap on open to launch the app open. That is how you can easily download Paxful application for your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.